Ask a model to spot bias, and it passes. Ask it to write a story, and the stereotypes come pouring out. Standard bias benchmarks like BBQ and StereoSet test recognition. Can the model identify a stereotype when you ask directly? That is a completely different task from open-ended generation. Giskard's R&D team built StereoTales to close that gap. We prompted 23 leading models to write short stories about protagonists defined by a single attribute: a non-binary person, a person with low income, a person from North Africa. Over 650,000 stories across 10 languages. Every single model generated harmful stereotypes, including content each model would flag as harmful if you asked it to evaluate. Some associations showed up in all 23 models. Low education linked to manual labor, non-binary gender to creative industries, low income to basic education. Even the least biased models produced 20 to 30 harmful associations. Here is the part that should worry you most. Models know what is harmful, but generate it anyway. LLMs underestimate harm on socioeconomic attributes, income, employment, immigration, while overreacting on gender and geographic origin. Alignment recipes made models hypersensitive to the axes that get press coverage and blind to broader socioeconomic stereotyping. And English-only testing misses most of the harm. Stereotypes are language-specific. Models act as cultural chameleons, amplifying biases against locally marginalized groups. Prompt in Arabic and stereotypes targeting Muslims drop, while those targeting Christians rise. French, Italian, and Dutch models share overlapping blind spots, so do Spanish and Portuguese. 47 human raters scored associations. 118 crossed the harmful threshold. The full dataset, pipeline, and preprint are public on Hugging Face and GitHub. Ready to test whether your agent prioritizes truth over agreement? Contact the Giskard team.